Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my vlog. I am Bablu, and today I am here at my another field, and basically it is my practice video because I am learning English. So I think it is good way to practice English. So in this video I will see you India's irrigation system. In this video I will see you 4 to 5 types of irrigation system in India. You can see behind me right there a tractor, and here irrigate this field for rice transplantation, because here started rice plantation. So here starting irrigating through tractor. So let's see. Another tube well. So guys, it is Honda and it runs petrol. You can see how comfortable. Basically guys, it is carry on head for remote area where not good road. So you can see. So guys, you can see this is little river. I mentioned this river my another vlog. You can see in the playlist. Here some heavy rain and you can see little bit flooded this river. And when I make that video, very less water you can see in my playlist. And also you can see very picturesque view. So guys, you can see this is motor and it runs electricity. And very cheap and very modern also. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe, share and like my video, and please give your valuable feedback. And guys, if you want any types of video I make, then please comment. I'll make that video. Thank you for watching.